October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this Saturday is Take Your Loved Ones to Get a Free Mammogram and Wellness Day in Flint. The event is hosted by 15-year breast cancer survivor Dr. Beverly Walker Griffea, President Emeritus of Mott Community College. And joining us now with more are members of the Planning Committee, Daria Ross and Carrie DeVone, that is. Thank you, ladies, for joining us.
Thank you, Dawn.
Thank you for having us.
So there's a statistic, ladies, to say 1 in 4 eligible residents in the city of Flint are not current with their mammograms, their screenings. Mm-hmm. And so tell us why early detection and mammograms, which lead to early detection, are so critical.
Well, excuse me, the reason it's so critical is because if we're able to find it early, then you have a better chance of being able to get the treatment that you need. And unfortunately, in the city of Flint, they're not getting screened soon enough. Mm-hmm. So they're not getting the early detection that they need to help start the treatment.
Yeah, and there's a accompanying statistic that says the city of Flint itself mm-hmm. has higher proportions of breast cancer cases diagnosed in late stages. And would you attribute that to the fact that they aren't getting their mammograms?
Exactly. They're not getting their mammograms. The Flint communities that are not up to date are the ones who are experiencing severe disparities in when they're being detected and the treatment that they're able to receive. So the purpose of this fun festival, Take Your Loved One to Get a Mammogram, is to make sure we can get people in and get that early detection so that you can get the treatment that you need. And that's really what it's all about.
And is that how you all are filling that gap? Whatever the gap is, if it's transportation, if it's access, if it's financial, the mammograms are free mm-hmm. and you're making them available.
That's correct. We even have bus passes that have been passed out around the city, specifically to like homeless shelters and different areas, women's shelters. The purpose is to really get people out there, get your mammogram, get tested, and then we are able to help you, to the next stage. What's next? Mm-hmm. If we only help one person, then we've helped so many. We just want to help someone, anyone, and early detection is the best way. So there are lots of things to do. We have a kids zone, we have lots of games, we have a bounce house, mm-hmm. music, live music, great door prizes. Mm-hmm. We're giving away scooters, bicycles, TV sets. We even have a staycation, but we have a couple of big screen TVs. Mm-hmm. It's going to be a lot of fun, very lively, lots of vendors. Mm-hmm. It's going to be an amazing experience. We even have speakers who are coming in to speak about wellness. Mm-hmm. We have some people who will be doing manicures and curling hair. Okay. It's going to be a great event. Come on out.
And Daria, who's invited?
So everyone throughout the community is invited. Really, the key to this, and as we've noted before, what we do know is that early detection and research, that's what saves lives. Mm-hmm. So by having these screenings free and available to the Flint community, it is an opportunity to begin that process, to ask questions. I myself am a 6-year survivor, mm-hmm. and so when I call her Dr. Beverly, when she reached out and asked me to participate in helping support this initiative, I didn't hesitate. It was without hesitation. And I'm also an American Cancer Society Voices for Black Women ambassador.
And let's talk about that very quickly
Sure.
before our time is up. When you talk about Black women, there is a statistic that shows Black women have the lowest survival rates for every known stage of breast cancer diagnosis. And I guess the question after that is, why the disparity? Is it access? Is it implicit bias? Is it lack of quality care? What mm-hmm. leads to this troubling statistic?
Well, Dawn, it's all of the above. What we know is that Black women are underrepresented in research. They're underrepresented in all of the efforts that generally would tackle what you've mentioned, and there's something called the social determinants of health. And all of those components intersect to get us at that level of disparities. While our contemporaries, Caucasian women, may be diagnosed at a higher rate, we are disproportionately dying at a higher rate. So that's why it's imperative, like a program like this is out there. And it's also imperative that the Voices for Black Women study. This is a 30-year study. They want 100,000 Black women who have not had cancer between the ages of 25 and 55 to participate. And this study was designed by Black doctors, Black epidemiologists, Black researchers. So we want people to be assured that their data, their medical history will be handled with the utmost confidentiality. Again, all of these are reasons, historical reasons why we don't like to share. We're very protective. There's history there. So this is an opportunity to change our legacy and to really understand why cancer affects us this way, understand the risk, understand the outcomes, so that ultimately those outcomes can be improved.
And I know we have to go, but is there a place where people can get more information about the Voices initiative there with the American Cancer Society?
Absolutely. It's voices.org, I believe, but I'll make sure that you have the correct website for your website and that information. And we'll also be on site at this festival. So there'll be plenty of information there, plenty of opportunity to sign up for this study. We just want people to come out, get your screenings. Don't be afraid to ask questions. You'll be in a safe space to learn, to help amplify our voices and improve your health.
Yeah. So the event that Daria is talking about, of course, is to take your loved ones to get a free mammogram, and Wellness Day is coming up this Saturday. Thank you so much, Daria. Thank you so much, Carrie. It's coming up this Saturday, and it's a Wellness Day and a free mammogram, and it's a festival, and there are door prizes, and all kind of fun is happening on North Saginaw Street. It's October 4th from 9 until 4 at Hamilton Health Network. That is on North Saginaw Street in the city of Flint, and the entire community is invited.